You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is y equals 31/29. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Multiply the coefficients. Break up the fraction. Isolate the y. Multiply both sides by 15y-3. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Multiply the fractions. Expand the parentheses. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Break up the fraction. Simplify the fraction. Group all y terms on the left side of the equation. Subtract 6y from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 5 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Isolate the y. Divide both sides by -5.8. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the arithmetic. Cancel out the negatives. And so the final result is y equals 31/29.